Hello, this is Padlock, and you're seeing my first lockpicking video. Well, my first YouTube video ever. And it's dedicated to Roop Knight, who's a much more experienced picker than me and also a great tool maker. The video comes too late for the entry, but he's currently hosting a raffle to celebrate 200 subscribers, and he's giving away 2 of his homemade picks with wooden handles. They look very well made, and you should definitely check out his channel to see more of this kind of stuff. So for this giveaway, he challenged us to pick a lock upside down, and because this might be confusing for European pickers, he seems to mean that the pins are in the bottom of the cylinder. So what I choose to do, and it might not have been the brightest idea, is to pick a lock out of my naughty bucket and try my luck on that. I'll speed up part of the video, as the camera angle was not that great, and it took me a really long time, like 15 minutes, to get it open even on the second try. The lock is a used ABUS Inox T84MB 40 nautical lock with just 4 pins but decent precision, and it seems to have some mushroom pins. Pin 1 and 2 need to be set really deep, which is a bit difficult with top of the keyway tension, but I can't use bottom of the keyway tensioning, as this will bind up the core. This look is really tough tension on the core. Okay, goodbye.